Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing legal assets and technical choices. Get model or property releases signed now and save them as PDFs. Then set your camera to RAW, choose a lens and aperture, aim for f/5, 6 to f/11 for general sharpness. Once done, bracket exposures in 1/2 stop steps and capture multiple compositions, horizontal, vertical, and a detail. Make sure lighting is consistent and note settings in a shot log so you can reproduce or explain choices later. You move into post-production with purpose. Import and batch process exposure, white balance, and noise reduction to maintain consistency across a set. Next, crop to common aspect ratios, 3:2, 16:9, and square, while preserving resolution for Shutterstock's minimums. Once images are finalized, add metadata. Write a clear title, concise description, and 6 to 50 targeted keywords. Prioritize primary subject and context. Make sure keywords are ordered by relevance, because that improves discoverability. You finish by exporting compliant JPEG, using sRGB and Shutterstock's pixel and file size limits, then upload files and fill catalog fields carefully. After submission, monitor the review status and respond to feedback quickly. If an image is rejected, read the rejection reason and act. Add missing model releases, correct metadata, or reprocess for noise and sharpness. Once corrected, resubmit with a short note explaining changes. Most issues clear with targeted fixes, so keep calm and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.